the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing. Anyway guys, we're gonna do a lovely mixed fruits smoothie today with cream on top. Very simple, very unique recipe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me. Get your favorite recipe. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and team, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and click in the bell. Thank you. Nice, I love it. So basically, frozen mixed fruits, like all different one. Go to the shop, get this one. They said fruit mix one in the freezer. Alright, so straight inside of it, little bit of spinach, not much, little bit of water, teaspoon of honey to kill the sourness. Look at this. We're gonna blend this about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, a little bit more water just to free up the blender a little bit. Finish. You don't need to blend it too long. This is not like a proper glass for smoothie, but it's gonna be using this. Nice. If you guys see exactly what I'm talking about. Look at this, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow my Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me. Get your favorite recipe. We got a lot more ideas. A lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo and team, and as I say, this is just a simple ideas to come. There's more to come from me and the team. I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.